Keep on running. Keep on running. More triangles across the rectangle. Okay. All the unknown sides. I'll only do one of these. The idea approach here is that that I am going to use these numbers one way. One of these will find the x, and a different one of these will find the y. So let's look for the x first. 5, 35. So this is the opposite side. This is the adjacent. This is not the adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent. So if I want to do the x first, I'm going to use the O and the H. So to find the x, it's going to use the O and the H. So sin of 35 will equal x for the O and 5 for the H. So x will equal 5 times sin 35, whatever that number may be. Okay, very super briefly, there's no 2 decimal points, so sort of the default, if the question doesn't give you too much more information, you would default to 2 decimal points. Okay, we've got the multiply, 5 times sin 35. Okay, 2.87, 2.8678 turned into 2.87. Just show that's an approximate. This question was using meters. Now for the y, all right, I've gone through all these steps again. For the y, it's using adjacent and hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse is cos. Cos is adjacent and hypotenuse. Cos of 35 is equal to y on 5. So y is equal to 5 times cos 35. This is 5 times sine 35. This will be 5 times cos 35. Will it be bigger or smaller? Let's have a look. 5 times cos 35. I think it'll be bigger. 4. 4.095. 4.095. So to 2 decimal points, this will round up to 1. So 4.10. You put the 0 in to show that we've done it to 2 decimal points. Again, meters. So I've done plenty of questions when we're finding sides. Key thing to remember, both these questions had x on top and we did a multiply. If the x had been on the bottom, this step would have been divide. Now, time to look at for some angle.